Are you looking for the absolute best coffee machines on planet Earth? Put in the comments, Team Coffee. Let's go ahead and get started. While all of Moccamaster's machines do brew the Golden Cup standard, the KBGV Select is quite unique. You can actually choose to brew a half or a full carafe while still maintaining that Golden Cup standard. The brewing speed and hot plate temperature adjust according to if you're going to be brewing a half or a full pot. It's easy to actually select. There's actually a little switch where you can choose between a half or a full carafe of coffee. For those that love different colors, the KBGV Select does come in some beautiful colors, so be sure to check those out. And just like all Moccamasters, they are backed by a 5-year warranty. They're also all handmade in the Netherlands, so they really do pay attention to detail, and they definitely care about their product. Now let's talk about what makes Moccamaster unique. The copper boiling element heats water up to a temperature of 196 degrees Fahrenheit to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This is actually the ideal temperature that you want in order to create that Golden Cup standard. Another important factor that creates that Golden Cup standard cup of coffee is going to be something called coffee bloom. As you're brewing, the water hits those coffee grounds and it creates kind of like a bubbling effect. This is actually the coffee grounds and carbon dioxide working together. The beans swell up and it creates what's called a coffee bloom. The KBGV parts are easily removed for no hassle cleaning. Now let's talk about some of the parts that make the Moccamaster quite unique. You'll notice on all of the models that they use a funnel top. That actually directs brewed coffee to the bottom of the carafe, and it essentially creates convection and distributes heat evenly. On the KBGV Select, you're actually going to notice that there is a warming plate. What this does is it allows you to control and hold that pot temperature anywhere between 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Backed by a 5-year warranty and also the Specialty Coffee Association's Golden Cup standard, you definitely can't go wrong with Moccamaster.